So magandang araw kabala. Sa video nito kabala, dito muna tayo sa mga usapan po. Dun sa mga players kabala na pinunta muna ng TNT sa kanilang unrestricted free agency. Again, pag sinabi mo pong unrestricted free agency kabala, that means anytime can make an offer to this player kabala, and kung in-accept niya po kabala, wala pong karapatan yung last team niya kabala to match that offer. So, kumbaga talagang available po siya for any team to make an offer. And Mike Nieto for me is someone that is worthy of part of a player spot, Kabola. And I think these three teams should consider signing him. Number 3 ko will be Phoenix, Kabola. Phoenix, I think bagay na bagay po siya sa Phoenix kasi sa Phoenix, there is an emphasis on size. Although they did sign Mamuyak, may size din naman si Mamuyak, especially po with his wingspan. Pero ang dali kasi talaga ni Nieto Kabola, big body wing po ito that plays intelligently. So he will fit kung ano po yung sistema niraran ni Coach Charles Chu. And of course, yung niraran po na sistema ni Coach Charles Chu is modern, a lot of intricacies. Kabola. Number 2 natin will be Terra Firma Jeep. For the Terra Firma Jeep, simple lang po ito. Terra Firma Jeep need as much talent as possible. So, if that's the case, they should try to sign Mike Nieto. Kasi the moment they sign Mike Nieto, I do believe he's already a top 5 talent po sa team nila if they will sign him. Kabola. And maybe, di ba, they can again develop him, improve his trade value, then trade him again. Yan po yung mga possibility. Pero number 1 natin will be Magnolia Hotshots. So, I think he will fit Magnolia Hotshots, Kabola. Especially po with Baroka and Polly getting older, they need a player that handles the ball very well. They need a player that really plays according to the system. Yan po yung dala po ni Mike Nieto. He can also bring, of course, yung kanyang outside shooting, Kabola. And of course, that will add a big factor dito po sa sistema po ni Coach L.A. Tenorio. Now, sa Converge, it was reported po by Boss Jerry Ramos, siya po yung nakapansin, na ito po, si Encho Serrano Kabola is nasa likuran po ng bench Kabola ng Converge. Now, hindi naman po nakakagulat na nandoon po siya. Kasi nga po, alam naman natin yung connection niya po Kabola dito po kay Governor Delta na siya po ngayong coach nito pong Converge Kabola. So, hindi siya nakakapagtaka. Baka naman nanonood lang, no? Nanonood lang, gusto naman mag-enjoy and nabigyan po siya ng ticket ni Coach Delta. Pwede naman ganun lang po yung nangyari po dito. Pero of course, the possibility na gusto po siyang makuha nitong si Coach Delta sa kanyang team will always be there. Kasi nga po, alam naman natin na malaking emphasis po ni Coach Delta Kabola sa mga players niya, especially po mga taga Pampanga, na tulad nitong si Encho Serrano. And of course, we are a big believer kay Encho Serrano. We think that yung kanya pong potential is mataas kasi talagang super athletic siya, super high jumper po Kabola. Ito pong si Encho Serrano. Kaya naman, we believe na pwede po siya maging isang starting caliber guard dito po sa PBA. And currently po sa MPBL, naglalaro po siya for Abra. Ang current averages niya po Kabola is 7.7 points, 2.4 assists, 2.5 rebounds per game, Kabola, around 13.8 minutes. So, hindi siya actually kailangan masyado po mabigyan ng minuto doon kasi sobrang lalim po ng Abra. Nandun sina Ayon, Kabola, of course, nandun yung mga magkapatid po na Ildefonso. So, they have a lot of player there na hindi po nila kailangan actually mabigyan po ng sobrang laking minuto ang isang Serrano. Pero ibang usapan yan, Kabola, sa realidad po sa PBA. Especially po with the reality na yung rights na po still with Phoenix. So, kung gusto naman po siyang kunin po ng Converge, Kabola, kasi willing po bumalik si Serrano to play for Converge, they still need to talk to Phoenix. And they need to make a trade. So, meron at merong hihingin po dyan ang Phoenix. And I do believe a trade is a possibility, especially po that Converge is holding second round picks in the upcoming draft. And I do believe the next draft is super loaded na pwede nilang ma-entice ang Phoenix to say yes. Speaking of saying yes in enticing a player, I think NLEX should really consider using the connection of Coach Jimmy Alapag dito po kay Kelly Williams, and of course, the reality that they are under still MVP group na mapapirma po ito pong si Kelly Williams. Kelly Williams, of course, currently unrestricted free agent, pero alam naman namin, kabola, na malamang meron po silang agreement nitong si TNT, kabola, at malamang pinapasweldo pa rin ito ng TNT, pero still, he is still an unrestricted free agent. And we already have instances po in the past na kahit may agreement po between the team and an unrestricted free agent, kabola, they still decided to sign with another team. That possibility is there. And kung meron lang po makakapag-convince kay Kelly na lumipat po out of TNT, it could be Coach Jimmy Alapag. Kasi Jimmy Alapag, if you remember, signed with Meralco Bolts, hindi po siya sa TNT huling naglaro. Sa Meralco Bolts po. Remember? So again, kung meron lang po makakapag-convince kay Kelly Williams, it will be Coach Jimmy Alapag. And I do believe Kelly Williams is a big need for NLEX, kasi if you look po at the current lineup of NLEX, they really lack a center that can defend the Giants in the league, especially po in a 7-game long playoff series. Of course, nananalo pa rin po sila using small ball ngayon, pero ibang usapan na po, kabola, kapag playoffs po yan, kapag si Fajardo, 50% of every half-court set, siya po yung finifeed sa poste, at wala po silang panapat. Diba? Paano mo i-stop yun? Diba? Paano mo ma-strategize po yun, kabola? So, Kelly Williams is a proven defender at yan po yung pwede niyong dalhin sa NLEX if they want to compete. And sa Meralco Bolts naman, nakita daw po sa kanilang practice, ito po si Bobby Ray Parks, and this is of course very interesting. Kabola, bakit kaya pinili ni Ray Parks na sa Meralco makipag-practice? Bakit hindi po sa TNT? Even sa NLEX, kasi nga alam natin, nabanggit na natin dati na he is close with Coach Jimmy Alapag. He respects Coach Jimmy Alapag. Pero mas pinili niya sa Meralco Bolts. Hindi kaya dahil doon niya po gustong bumalik, kung bumalik man po siya sa PBA, kasi currently may bago na po siyang kontrata with the Meralco Bolts. Meralco Bolts. With the Japan B-League team, kabola. Pero, di ba? Ngayon nasa Pilipinas siya, pinili niya po sa Meralco Bolts. And of course, if this will happen, then a trade should happen po wherein yung rights po ni Ray Parks mapunta po sa Meralco Bolts. And looking at the current roster po of the Meralco Bolts, they may want to get him, di ba? Kasi Chris Newsom is getting older, kabola, and Cancino is just coming around. Brickman is an old rookie, Quinto is getting older, di ba? They may want another guy in prime that can help them, and that could happen as early as next season if they can entice Ray Parks to return. So, palagay mo, babalik ta next season or next year si Ray Parks? Kami na po sa baba.